Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. In this series of videos, we'll show you 2 Instagram hacks which can be the icing on the cake for your Instagram strategy. If you don't have an Instagram strategy for your business yet, we will gladly help you with that as well. You can find all relevant information on the top right. Number 1 concerns the time. If you take a look at the predominant situation from outside, it looks like this. You compete with hundreds, thousands, maybe tens of thousands of others in your branch and struggle for reach and visibility. You can achieve this with hashtags, good and smart content which will increase the involvement of your audience, but also with the right timing. If you post without a plan, at times that your community is inactive, you probably won't get much interaction and your reach will decline, which means that's not a good basis. So what can you do? Since this video is for the most part directed at businesses, I assume that you already have an Instagram business account. Therefore, you can go to your insights and find out the age, the residential area and gender of your target group. But what's interesting for us is when our community is the most active, which we see at the bottom. The trick, however, is to not pick the exact time displayed. Let's think for a moment what most businesses would do. The competitors would probably have a similar target group, which will be active at about the same time. Since there are other tasks that must be taken care of, businesses also use scheduled posting tools like Later. If you don't know this app either, you can find the link for the video on the top right, where we show you the top 5 Instagram apps including Later. Our tip is to pick Later if you want to use that kind of apps. See, this app is authenticated by Instagram. In the opposite case, Instagram recognizes it as a third-party software which can decline your reach, so be careful. Back to our scenario. The majority will use as a guideline the perfect timing according to Instagram, for example 6 p.m. So what you should be doing is to plan your posts for, let's say, 6:17 or 6:23. The reason for that is that the newsfeed of your community is arranged by an algorithm based on relevance instead of chronology. Which means whenever you post at the exact time given, you compete with all businesses of your branch for the first place. For you, this means the following. Go to your insights. Find the peak of each day and pick a time before or after that peak. This way you may not have the perfect timing, but the time at which everyone else isn't posting, which relieves pressure from your competition and makes it worth it at the end of the day. What are your experiences? Let us know in the comments what's your opinion regarding timing on Instagram and tell us how your insights have changed with this secret. Otherwise, we would be happy if you subscribed and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications every time there is a new upload on the eBakery channel. See you in the next video and take care, your eBakery team.